to the Logik YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install this spare tire deletion plate on a 2022 Bronco Outfit. This specific one is owned by one of our favorite customers, which is why we don't mind working on his American. We installed the lift kit on this, as well as the fender flares and the oversized tires, and now we're moving on to this. So what you're going to need for this job is these 1/2-inch flat washers that we got from Home Depot, not a sponsor, as well as a 13mm bit. And we're going to start by taking the bolts out around the side, and then we'll move on to the brake light, and I'll show you how to install that on the new piece here in a minute. Sorry about that, I lied. You're also going to need a T30 Torx bit. Moving on to the fun part. Now the next step is to extend the inner diameter of these. So we're going to be doing that with our trusty bit here. You want to get it nice and hot before you get started. It'll make it easier to go through it, but you will want to be careful and not hold it with your hand, or you could burn yourself. And now for the exciting part, that we have our spacers on. I'm going to put them through. And make sure you put your spacers on both sides to prevent damage to the piece and the vehicle. Alright, now that we have it installed, all we gotta do is tighten it down. One thing you do want to be careful with is sometimes this camera might not be positioned in there properly. All you have to do is remove it, get some sort of rubber spacers. You'll have plenty of rubber after cutting these open. Put it on the edge and just wiggle it around until you get the camera into the right position you like. All right, now that we've got it installed, I'm gonna throw it in reverse and make sure it's working. Seems to be working perfect. I'll speak to the customer and see if that's the angle he likes. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope it was helpful, and we hope to see you next time. Take care.